Hello guys, Crypto Talon here, back with another YouTube video. In this video we're going to be talking about a new miner called Hex Miner, cryptominer.finance. The link is down below, how you purchase and get to the site that I'm currently on. So guys, like I've said in the last video where we was talking about another miner called Cake Miner, which is Pancake Swaps coin, which is Cake, the miner, which earns you 3% daily, roughly around 3% daily. And yeah guys, I'm going to be doing a checkup on that, but if you'd like to check that out, go back to yesterday on my channel and check it out. Another source of making passive income. So I'm guessing everyone's heard of Hex recently. It's just been going mad, and just all the stories of people turning millionaires and all that. And yeah, so this is essentially all you got to do is send it's on the Matic network, by the way. So you send Matic to a your MetaMask, then you bridge it through like 1 inch, so your MetaMask, bridge it to Hex, and then from that essentially you bridge it to the Hex, and then you connect it to the website. You would press approve spend here, put how much you want to put, say 150, I don't know, 150 Hex for example. Approve spend, you press this button here in the blue, and then you go down here and it would say higher. So for example, right now for 150 you'd get 82.98, let's say 83 miners. And essentially what you get is 3% daily, but guys, it does fluctuate as the coin goes up and down, and as people compound or pocket the coins. So roughly I've been in on it for about 3 days, I think guys, 3 days, and yeah, it's been doing me well. I've made a decent amount of money through not doing nothing essentially. And guys, remember, I always say this, I'm just an average Joe, as they say, which is just an average guy like most of you, who just put a bit of money in there, spare money, or just, you know, just a bit of money in there just to trial and see how things are going. And it's going amazing as it goes straight. Say guys, so I've got a strategy. I do 4 hours compounding, and then I wake up in the morning and I pocket, so I get evenly out. Well, I prefer it like that, as I'm compounding, I'm also pocketing to make my return on investment back. And yeah, so I have 271 miners currently, and in a matter of about 14 hours I've made sorry guys, this 8.39, I've made £2.61, which is not bad guys, just for going on my phone and, you know, just logging on and basically doing nothing guys. So I'm happy with that. So yeah, I thought I'd just let you guys know. And if you'd like to see a way how to proper set it up and how to connect it, just show you guys how to proper do the full tutorial, just let me know down below and leave a like on the video to show you like these miner videos and DeFi, just videos making passive income, as that is what I look into currently. But yeah guys, it's been doing me really well recently, and just miners in general, I'm enjoying it, and I'm just really liking the crypto miner space at the moment, especially through DeFi. And Matic guys, why Matic is good is because the fees is so low, you're not going wrong. So you could literally compound every hour if you'd like, and just as much as you want, and the fees are not high at all compared to like Ethereum, where as you guys know, the gas fees expensive. But yeah, the fees and gas fees on Matic is not high at all, so you can just keep compounding to get more miners. But guys, right now the contract balance is where is it? Balance, I think that's it, 14. Let's see what that is. Sorry guys, 1.4. Let's see what it's currently at into 1.4. 1.456, 1.456, 1.49. Currently at £452,239, which is currently, in my opinion, I think it's still early, guys. I think this could really reach a high amount of people. As you guys know, Hex is very big right now with Richard Hart doing his lives, and you know, he's a very smart, intelligent man in my opinion. And yeah, with all the Pulse chain coming out, I reckon Hex is going to be the new big thing in my opinion, and this is new space to get into, especially miners, as you're going to be early. But yeah, guys, I thought I'll just let you know about another source of passive income. I'll be doing updates on these probably about 2 times a week, 3 times a week, just to let you know how I'm going on. But yeah, guys, the link would be down below. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'd like to see you guys soon.